Hey, what's going on, man? It's your boy D'Lo, and you already know what we got in store for today. You know, I'm about to reading that title right there. Um, we went to the Apple Store. We did. We went to the Apple Store, and get out of here, box. Look what I got. What? You said what? I got. I got what? Look, man. So we gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let y'all unbox these with me because I bought these yesterday. I just ain't, opened them. So I got my handy dandy knife, boy. I got my handy dandy knife right here. Don't ask why I got the biggest knife. I don't know. First knife I seen. So like I said, man, we gonna get right into it. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna see if I like it. If I don't, definitely taking it back. So as you can tell right here, man, we got them right here. The retail price of these are $159. Tax included. These about about 173 ish. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. So like I said, man, you know I got my big knife. So we finna cut this thing. Well, okay. So that's not gonna cut. Finna cut this thing open, dog. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm cutting it. Oh. Like I said, man, look, don't judge me because I got this big old knife. I don't know why I got this big knife, but we just gon', you know what I'm saying? So, you got that plastic off. Jesus Christ. So, this is a nice little box there. How you get this thing out? Come on, there you go. There you go. Go and slide that thing in there. Like so. Oh, jeez. Took me about 3 days to get that. Whoa. Y'all see that? Like a little egg. It's like a little egg. Okay. Alright. I guess this thing is like childproof. Oh, there it is. Alright, so as you can tell, man, it's like a... It's a... Oh, whoa. Well, you see that little light? You know, so you see that light right there. I don't know what that means just yet, but we're gonna get back to this. We're gonna see what else is coming in the box. Let's see. So it does come with another cable, so that's good. That's always good because I'm gonna need that for something else. So back to it. So we got these right here. Let's take them out. Let's see how they look. So they look pretty good, actually, man. It's like a, so it's basically like the ones with the wires. It's just the fact that they're wireless. Feel a little lighter. Got the little taps right there. You know what I'm saying? So that's all good. It has a little button right there. You can't really see it, but it's like a little button. See if I can make it focus. It's a little button right there. Designed by Apple in California. So I guess the green button means that ain't in there. See, it's like a little green button. I guess that means it's not in there. So that's all well and good. So what I'm about to do now, I'm gonna take my phone right here, and oh, see, look, it automatically pops up. Automatically pops up. I'm gonna connect them. That is amazing. Like it automatically popped up. That is so dope. And that's all we had to do is click done. Now we on there, and give me a second. Let me see if I can put them on. So as you can tell, man, I got them on right now. They're pretty light. You know what I'm saying? They don't come out actually. It's pretty dope. I'm trying to see if I can. So they always said like if you double tap or something like that, Siri pops up. So we're gonna test that theory right now. We're gonna see. Let's see. Oh, it did it. Look. Okay, look, she wasn't supposed to say that, but that's pretty dope. I'm gonna hit the other one and see what it does. Let's see. All right, we're gonna see what it does. You ready? Oh, so okay, so it brings up Siri both ways. I'm pretty sure in the settings you can change it any type of way you want. So that's always dope. I do got my watch on, so I want to see if I can. Let's see. So what if I tap battery? Okay, oh, so that's dope. So as you can tell, I'm trying to turn. You probably guys can't see it, but right there, as you can tell, right there it says that my AirPods are connected to my watch now. So that's pretty dope. That's real dope. I really don't know a lot other stuff I can do with these, but you know what I'm saying. I'm trying to see. So if I'm trying to see if I unlock my phone and I press this button. I wonder if I unlock my phone and I press this button, what will happen? Okay, nothing happens. Let me see. So the green light is still on, as you guys can see that. The green light is still on. They feel, like I said, man, they feel great in my ear. It don't even feel like I got nothing in my ears right now, to be honest with you. Let's play some music and just see. Of course, you guys not gonna hear it, but let's just see. They sound pretty good. Let me see. You guys can probably watch. Let me see if I turn it all the way up. This is dope. Okay, so when you take one of them out, I guess it's how it's set up right now. When you take one of them out, it stops the whole music. Now, hopefully, if I put it back in, it plays my music back. Let's see. Oh, ah. Boy, that is dope. So right now, I'm gonna tell y'all guys right now, I think these are worth the 173 that I paid. You know, dang, these are dope. So I think to everybody, okay, I had to pause it. I really think you guys should get these. But that's gonna be the end of this right here, man. Siri, stop. So if you like this, okay. Obviously, I don't know how to work these just yet, so I'll take it out so I can stop the music. Um, these are amazing. But if you like the video, man, just please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. This is actually my first review, but I used to do like vlogs and stuff like that. So if you guys give me a thumbs up, leave a comment on what next you want to see. I highly appreciate it. So peace.